Hey guys, what's up? This is Vijay here. So as in my previous video you have seen that I have played the first 5 level of the first stage of the game called Combat. The first stage is that KitKat Dungeon, and I have played the first 5 level. The name of the levels are Dungeons of KitKat. Second is Gems in the Deep. Third is Shadowguard. Fourth is Forgetful Gemsmith, and fifth is True Names. So now I have, as you can see, that I have completed all the levels, that is all 15 levels, and now I am going to show you the code for all my levels. So now I am going to play the level number 6. The name is that how to equip. Okay, so the game is going just full screen, so they just want me to equip all the things for the combat. So now the goal is to defeat all the ogres. Your hero must survive, and bonus is no code problem. So there's a great saying by Yogi Berra: in theory there is no difference between theory and practice, but in practice there is. Okay, so the basic saying is that you have to, so my computer is just getting pretty much slower because of my recording software. Now it's just clear. So now the level is just loading. My internet connection is pretty much slower, so there must be some glitches. So I am going to start the level. So okay, and as you can see that I have to defeat the ogres. So remember that they each attack 2 hits. Okay, so they have give us the hit that each ogre need 2 hits to die. So self dot attack rig is a name of the ogre. Self dot attack rig again, self dot attack gut again, egg again, and I have completed the level. So here I'm going to play the code again. So here, oh my god, my hero is just awesome, man. So now I have completed the level, and I have to, so here I have gained again 34 gems and plus 22 XP. Okay, now continue. And now the next level, that is Haunted Gith Maze. Okay, so Haunted Gith Maze. Okay, so here I am supposed to meet with the ghost. No, it's not just like ghosts. Okay, so the goal is to your hero must survive, navigate the maze. Bonus is no code problem, and bonus is under 60 statement. So I have to complete my code under 60 statement to get the bonus. So I'm going to start the level. So now I am going to use the loop. So loop is used to do some statements, to run some statements again and again, and to move some moves again and again. So here I have to now first move right, again right, up, and I have to repeat the same thing. So I have use loop here, and you can see that my player is just going upward, and I have completed the level. So now clicking on done, and I have completed the level, and clicking on continue, exit the level, and now it's next level is Dread Door. So Dread Door, so here I have to break the door, probably according to me. So destroy the door, yes. Bonus is no code problem, and bonus under 4 statement. So under 4 statement I have to break the door. So now again I have to use the loop, that is self dot attack door, and I have give the name of the door so that my hero just attack on door, and I have used the loop statement. So here you can see that my hero just break up the door. Now I have done, and for today it's our bye bye, see you again, and hop like if you like.